Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I just walked out here to put food for the cats, and it is seriously foggy out here. I mean, you normally can see the houses on the hill, and you can't even see a block here hardly. It's really bad and cold and windy. Let me go up here. I haven't seen it this foggy in ages. Bear with me, I'm trying to climb up the stairs. Now look at this. It's really socked in. Now you know you can't, that's over there, there goes a car, which I can see visually, but I can't see it on the camera. But that's 2 blocks from here. Here's a car coming up the street, which again I can see. And from 2 blocks away, it's like we're on the edge of San Francisco Bay downtown. This is nuts. Hello, morning. Looking at the fog.
Oh yeah. It's thicker than pea soup, obviously.
Yeah, well, I lived in San Francisco for 17 years. I'm used to it over there, but not here. This is weird.
Did you just move here?
No, I've been here a long time. I just don't usually see fog like this.
Oh yeah. I mean, if you can make it down, it's absolutely great. It's great down by the water. You can get down there. It's just,
Well, I don't get around much on foot, you know.
But yeah, this is spectacular. This is a little unusual for Martinez.
Yeah. See ya. Anyway, you can see what it looks like.
Have a good day, sir.
I'm not sure what he was talking about, but the pea soup fog is not normal here. Not where you can't see a block away. Where those white cars are, that's the next block. And past that, I can normally see the public defender's office. And you can't see anything. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. The dogs are going nuts behind the building. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and I hope you're staying dry and warm because it's cold out here. And very foggy, and you can see the wind hitting the fog as I'm standing here. I'm going back inside. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day. It is, by the way, it's about 7:30 in the morning, I think. Bye-bye.